I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Nice Kitchen today. So today in Nice Kitchen we're going to show you how to make beetroot and carrot juice. Okay? So what I have here is my carrot already peel and wash, and I've got my beetroot here. Okay? You need a blender. So tool for this job, you need a blender, you need a strainer, you know what I mean? Those are the main things you need. You need a bowl. So for me, just add some water. Add some water to the blender. Wash my hand at this point as well before I touch the carrot and the beetroot. And as I said, guys, always remember to wash your hand, even though it's yours. Not because it's corona, but do it all the time. Then I'm going to add beetroot to it. Add some beetroot to it with a mixture of carrot. Beetroot is already boiled, people, so it's fairly easy. Allow it to blend as fine as possible. Then I'm now put it on the curing setting. Alright, I think that will do for the first one. So from there, I'm going to pour it through the strainer. What you can get as well, guys, you can get a fork and just kind of give it a swirl. And guys, if you want to have it straight from the blender and drink it that way, you can. You can do this with you can blend it with ginger and lime and lemon juice or lime juice. What I'm going to be doing today is show you how to make it with, this is the original way we make it in Jamaica, with condensed milk. Okay? Try to squeeze it out as much as possible. Get as much as possible down in that bowl. Okay, then I'm gonna just add that, put that straight into a bowl. Just gonna add the rest. Add the rest to strainer. Then just get it straight down in here. I'm just going to put the remainder, beetroot, carrot, and then I'm going to add some water to it. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to blend that together. While I'm doing that, just stir this up. Okay guys, so that's it. Blend out, everything blend. Carrot and beetroot. Final touch now. Blend out. Run that through your strainer again.
No, you're not doing it. Yeah. Oh, you're just a boy.
So you see guys, this is not a lot. I'm not doing a whole lot because it's just a few servings. Okay, so that's that. So now guys, just clean up this little area. We're gonna do a final clean up, switch off the appliance. So now we have the blended liquid here. Uh-oh. So now we're gonna start sweetening now. So what we need for this, we need condensed milk. Got a bit of nutmeg. So this one is the whole nutmeg, but you can use ground nutmeg if you wish. And I've got a bit of vanilla. So I'm just gonna add just a cork full vanilla to that. Okay, and I'm gonna grate just gonna grate a little bit of nutmeg to it. This is just to give it flavor, guys. To bring up the flavor. Not much, just about that. That's about that. Then you just give it a nice swirl. And if you notice, I'm using a whisk because it's easier to move around in the glass jar. If you want to use a spoon or a wooden spoon of your choice, just do it. And I've got my condensed milk. I'm just going to add it to it now. As you can see, guys, as you can see, look at the color. See that? So if you look at the color, once I had the nice, authentic look to it, beetroot and carrot. And guys, you could blend this with ginger and then a bit of lemon juice and just have it straight. You know, if you want to do it that way for just natural drink without adding any milk or sugar to it. You could just do it with your ginger, your beetroot, your carrot, and add a bit of sugar to it, just and have it just like that. But me today I'm having it like this, with a bit of milk. So let me just taste it now and see if is this taste I require. Almost there, people. Just a little bit more milk. So in Jamaica we used to use Betty. Throw Betty in that and Betty sweeten them up straight away. The milk and foreign milk, them take a lot more. That's supposed to right now. Exactly where it's supposed to be. Right there, guys, right there. So there you have it. So there you have it, guys. That's a finishing look. And as you can see, that's a quick demonstration. Yes, my people. So as you can see, That's the beetroot and carrot finish. Okay? Quick drink, people. So even if you're at home, it's a healthy drink to have. Better than going to the shop and buy a bottle, a pop or fizzy, as we call it. Okay? So continue to subscribe, share, and hit the notification button, guys. But just most of all, just share the videos. And if there's any particular drink that you would like Nice Kitchen to demonstrate, please let us know. Okay? One love. God bless. Stay safe. And if you can't cook it, nice.